this video, we're going to review the company preferences for inventory. Let's go back to our file, preferences, choose company preferences. We're going to go down to the inventory. If you choose to associate pictures with inventory items, that enables the picture functionality within your point of sale. You have your item number sequencing. If you choose this preference, this will reset automatic item number sequencing when an item number is edited. So what will happen is if you are at number 3, but then you go in to edit the document and you change the item number to 6, then it will reset it back to 4 for the next document number. Reorder reminders, you can change this preference from available quantity to on-hand quantities when reorder points are set. You have the unit of measure. We go over this in further detail in our items section. You can have different unit of measures set up or single or multiple units of measure. If you buy in a specific unit of measure, such as you buy in a case for a pot, but you sell single units, then you would want multiple units of measure. Again, we'll go over this in further detail in the item section. We're done with this, so we will click Save to save our changes. And that concludes our video on inventory preferences.